Okay, so this headlight mount is broken, as you can see, but I think I know how to fix it. So what I'm gonna do is align it where I want it and tighten this down. That should, yep, that took care of the problem. Now let's see if I could find another bolt for this. Looks like I'm using a castellated nut. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good. We're all solid and stuff. So I'm trying to find what all these wires go to, and most of them literally go to nothing. Peel the old leather out of here. So I just did a little more investigation, and see these yellow wires and this black wire. That's where the headlights and turn signals would go. So I'll just pull these out. So I guess they thought it was a good idea to put the gas and electrical stuff in one bundle.